I'm going to show you how to make an appointment from your MyTime scheduling app. What you'll want to do is go to the day the appointment is going to be made. Let's say, for instance, someone wanted to make an appointment on October 5th. So you'll see in the upper left-hand corner, it will say the month. You click on that, it will bring up the full month. In order to get to the next month, you simply swipe right or swipe left, whichever way you're trying to go. But I'm going to go to October 5th, and you just click on the 5th. Let's say that they want to make an appointment at 10 o'clock. It will open the appointment screen. You will click Client, and you can search for clients. So I will do a search really fast. You can go by name, phone numbers, etc. This will come up. I will click on the person. Then you'll go down where it says pet. You'll click on pet. You'll choose which pet that you will be doing. And then you will choose what service you will be doing. This one automatically set to bath and brush because I've set this appointment many times before. So right now it is set. You can also select the color here at the very bottom. So since it's a bath, I will set it as pink. You can also edit the time. If you didn't see edit the time, it is right under the starts under time. You just click edit time. And like I said, you always change the processing time to 0. Click OK. Click done. If you do need to add a note for whatever reason, just had surgery, you can do that and click save. And then in the upper right hand corner, you will also click save. And remember, the app does take a little bit longer just because it's a large database that it's working off of. So there we go. You can see at 10 o'clock it's saved. Let's say that you wanted to do a new client and they wanted 11 o'clock on the 5th. You simply click at 11 o'clock. You can change what time they start at. So let's say you clicked 11, but they decided they wanted 11:15. Simply under time and starts, you click on the time and it'll bring you to this funky little clock. And you can change it from there. Once you set the hours, then it'll let you set the time. So let's say they want to do 11:15. But this is a new client. So you want to click client again. And in the bottom right-hand corner, there's the plus sign. You can click plus. You'll put in the client's name. I will do a test one for this. We'll make up a phone number. Hopefully it's no one's phone number. Here you can also enter their email address, which is a great idea, but you can get that when they come in as well. You can also set their contact permissions. If they don't want to receive emails or text messages, you can turn those off. Then you'll simply click save, and it'll bring you back to the appointment screen. Since they are a new client, you will want to add the pet. So under service, you'll see pet. You click that. And in the bottom right-hand corner again, you'll see the orange plus sign. You click that. And here you will enter the dog's name, their breed. You can fill all of this out. This is the pet intake form, so you don't have to fill all of this out right here. Those are simply probably the top 3 that you want to do, unless you do want to answer these questions for them and then they just have to sign the waiver when they come in. It's completely up to you, but that will take more time. Then in the upper right-hand corner, you click save. And again, right under pet, you will see service. So let's say Joey is getting a dog full styling. The nice thing, not fun, it will tell you if it conflicts with an appointment. Right now I'm going to ignore that because I'm going to change the time and see if that changes anything. So right under starts, you'll see edit time. I'm going to make this appointment processing time at 0, as always. And I'm just going to make this appointment for 30 minutes. And we'll see if that changes the confliction. Click done. And it did, because there's no note that came up. So then you can also click the color. Since this is a full styling, it is blue. And you just simply click save in the upper right hand corner. And voila. If you do need to change an appointment or cancel it, you simply click on it. And obviously, I'm unsure how to delete it from here. Oh, sorry. Cancel it. Right up in the middle, there's a big X with a cancel. You click cancel. But you will also see that you can reschedule them to the left. When you do that, you can simply just click on the starts, change the date, and change the time. So let's say they want to do the 12th. You can change the time by clicking on the time. Again, it'll do the hour first, and then it'll do the minutes. And you click OK. You click done. If you want to message them and send them a picture of their dog or ask them a question about their groom, you simply click on there. And if you want to cancel it all the way, you just click cancel. It'll ask you, are you sure? And you just say yes. Easy peasy.